Hello, Scratch Kitchen and Home. How are you guys doing? How are you dealing with this heat? My God, it has been so hot. We actually had to give in and get a little air conditioner because our little dog, there he is getting water, has heart problems and he's prone to bladder stones. So, by the time you see this video, he will be groomed, sheared down, and he will have a little AC on the window you see back there. Back behind the microwave. Alright, I'm going to share this table with you. I've had this table since 2013. My mom passed away. She got it from her mom. And when her parents were first married, excuse Sarge coughing, he made this for her. My grandfather Britton made this for my grandma Britton. There's also a help chest I'm going to be sharing with you in the fall. Because I do think this is probably going to be the last video of the summer season. Until fall season. That'll give me time to start using the cilantro, do videos with cilantro, and share those with you. The cilantro is something you can plant twice a year. Now, meanwhile, ADHD is circling back to the table. This is a very well built table, as you see. This is not plywood, okay? This is shredded wood, pulp that we get today. This was an actual piece of wood. The reason I'm showing you this is I inherited this, making it free to me. This little runner was under $10 on Amazon Haul. I only have two issues with Amazon Haul. One, once you place an order, you cannot cancel it. It is done. You will have maybe a half hour before you can change it or cancel it. But after that, forget it. That, and the second thing is it takes so long. It takes about 3 weeks to get to you. Whereas, that's even with Prime. Keep in mind. Usually Prime things get to you within 24 to 72 hours, right? Not with the Amazon Haul. Alright, this little dish here was one of the telefloral things where you put flowers in. But currently I got nail clippers. At least I found those. I'm kind of so scattered around, but this here was under $10. So we have maybe $11 invested in this repurposing of a little oval shaped coffee table. And this living room is maybe 50 feet. I don't know, maybe 100. But look how cute it is. Now by the time you see this video, the desk, the printer will be in my room. This will still be out here, and we have the bonus of a cat sleeping on the bookcase. That bookcase is awesome. This brand, not so much. But here we go. A repurposed, free coffee table. You can't beat free. If you can get something inherited to you or passed down to you some way, take it. Tap into your inner MacGyver and reuse it. Reimagine how you can use it. And I will see you guys in the fall, more likely in mid to early September.